Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the difference between funds flow statement and cash flow statement. Funds and cash are the very similar terms which are used interchangeably in day-to-day life, but there is a difference between two, and also both the statements are also different from each other. So the first difference is on the basis of concept. The funds flow statement is of wider concept, means it includes the changes in the working capital also. But cash flow statement is a narrower concept that includes only the changes in the money term, that how the money is going out and how the money is going inside. The second one is the basis of accounting. Funds flow statement is prepared on the basis of accrual basis of accounting. Accrual basis means it doesn't matter that when we are going to receive the money for the transaction we held, but we are going to record before it also. For example, we are selling the goods. The recording is done on the day when the sale is made, but it doesn't depend that when we are going to receive that money for these sales. And cash flow statement is prepared on the cash basis of accounting, means whenever we are going to receive the cash, we are going to record that transaction in the books of the accounts. The third one is the schedule of changes in working capital. Schedule of changes in working capital is prepared in the funds flow statement, but it doesn't prepared in the cash flow statement. The fourth one is method of preparing. Funds flow statement is prepared on the basis of sources and application of the funds. Sourcing means the issue of equity shares or debentures for raising the funds from the market. And the application can be in the form that we are spending our money to purchase the long-term assets like machinery and land. And their difference means the difference between the sources and application reflects the increase or decrease in the working capital. Then the cash flow statement. Under cash flow statement, we are going to take the inflows and outflows of the business. Means how much money is going outside and how much money is coming inside the business. Going outside means outflows and coming inside means inflows. Means we are selling the goods, the cash is coming inside, so it is the inflows. And if we are purchasing the raw material, so the cash is going outside, so it is the outflow. So now we are going to discuss about the fifth difference between the two. The fifth is basis of usefulness. Funds flow statement is useful for planning intermediate and long-term financing. Means it is basically of the nature of long-term. We are going to plan for a long term on the basis of funds flow statement. But cash flow statement is used for a short-term analysis or the cash planning of the business. The sixth one is basis of improvement. Means improvement in funds doesn't mean that it is improving the cash position of the business also. But under cash flow statement, when the cash position is improved, the funds improvement also done. The seventh one is cash and cash equivalents. Opening and closing balance of cash are included in the schedule of changes in working capital, and under the cash flow statements, the balances of cash and cash equivalents at the beginning or at the end of the period are shown in the cash flow statements. So it was the difference between two. There are majorly 7 types of differences used interchangeably terms, but there is a difference between these two, as we have already discussed about this. Now, in our second video, we are going to discuss about the further terms of cash flow and funds flow statements by the numericals also.